Hi, my name is Donna Knecht-Strong, and I am going to be your homeroom and math and science teacher this year. This is my 28th year teaching. I've taught all in Greenfield Central Schools. I taught 3rd grade, 4th grade, and I've been in 5th grade for the last 20 years, I believe. I live in Greenfield. I have a kindergartner going to Eden for the first time this year, so we have some excitement going on as well. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or sign up for Remind, and I will get your questions answered. And I will put that contact information at the end of this video. Things are going to be a little bit different this year, and I'm kind of excited about it. We'll see where it takes us and what's going to kind of go on. I'm going to do some little video clips here in just a second so you can kind of see around our classroom and what some of the expectations are going to be here for the beginning of the year, since some things are going to be a little bit different than what they've been in the past. Okay, this is one of our hallways. Kind of ignore some of the chairs that we've had to push out of our classrooms lately. So you're going to come down the hallway, up the stairs from the playground. Here's Mrs. Wayne's classroom that you will have for language and social studies. So she will be your second class. And then my classroom is right next to hers. I am room 404. So I kind of have the Susie Zoo theme going on here. And then your lockers will be to the right of our classroom once those are assigned to us. They will not be assigned here at the beginning of the year, okay? We're gonna, on your first day, you're gonna come into the classroom and you will have an assigned seat, so make sure that you look for your name tag on your desk. You can store your backpack on the back of your chair. And then everything will need to go with you, since in the afternoon you will be having language and social studies, so you'll be going to Mrs. Wayne's class, and there'll be other students here in the classroom. So your desks are a little bit different than last year, so you can hang your backpack on the back of your chair, and then we have these storage baskets underneath so that you can have your materials for the particular class that you're in. So all your math books you can store under your chair, and your science notebook, so you have it handy. You don't have to keep getting in and out of your backpack. And then you will keep all your art supplies with you so that you have those throughout the day. So this is kind of what our setup's going to look like. Over on the board over here, I do want to point this out. This is going to be our agenda board. So you will see assignments throughout the day. And at the end of class, you will have time to write down your assignments. You guys are going to be Math 1 and Science. So if we have any homework, that will be listed over here. So there should not be any question about what the homework is. It will be posted on the board for you to write in your agenda. Okay, and then we have a word wall over here for some of our math terms. And then we will be doing some science activities in the classroom, so we have some science materials as well in the classroom. Okay, on the back counter or in the back corner, you will see an empty bookcase. I'm going to leave that bookcase for your art supplies. You will have art the first 12 weeks. So I know Mrs. Reynolds would like for you to have your own art supplies in an art box, so we can store those there so that they won't be messed with, and you will have your own art materials. So if you have a separate art box that you're going to use for her, you can store that back there. Please make sure your name is on it for the first day of school. And then here is the front of our classroom. So this is what you will be seeing as you go throughout your day. This will be the front. So you'll be sitting at your desk with your backpack on the back and projecting towards the front of the classroom. Okay. And then you will be in here until it is time for class. Your related arts teachers, for the most part, are going to come into the classroom to have class. Except for Mrs. Hacker. She's going to come to class if you have PE, or when you have PE, she's going to pick you up. And most of your class will occur outside as much as possible. Okay, there'll be some times that we'll be eating in the classroom, and then there'll be some times that you can eat in the gym and in the cafeteria. So we'll kind of do that on a rotating basis so that you have different places that you can eat, and then you can eat and interact with the students on Mrs. Wayne's in her homeroom as well. So we're going to kind of be a team this year so that you can interact with some other people besides just the people in our classroom. Some final things to wrap up. On the first day of school, I will be sending home a letter kind of talking about some of the general things that are going to happen in the classroom. In that letter, if you have any questions, again, don't hesitate to send me a message. I will also have my contact information on there. And please be sure to sign up for Remind, because on Remind, I won't send something out all the time. I will let you know when there's tests so that you can kind of plan ahead for a study evening. But I'm not going to bombard you every day with some information on Remind. It's just going to be the most important things. If you have not visited Maxwell's website, please be sure to do that. There's a section for our 5th grade team, and then you will look for my name and Mrs. Wayne's name, and we will have an agenda for the week. So we're going to try to stick to that agenda, but we know things do change throughout the week. But you will kind of have a general idea of what's going to happen in the classroom on those days. And also encourage your students to write in their assignment notebook or their agenda so you are familiar with what they have for homework. Also, be sure to familiarize yourself with Google Classroom, because we will have some information posted on Google Classroom that you can also check in with your student and see what's going on. And Mrs. Wayne does that as well. So look through those papers that are coming home. I do want to talk about conferences. They are typically in the month of October, at the end of October or beginning of November. Those dates have not been set yet. We will have them at some point, or I will have them at some point. Most likely they will be phone conferences or they will be virtual conferences. As we kind of get closer to that, I will be sending out information, and then I am going to have you sign up online for a time that is available and a time that is convenient for you. So look for that information. Again, I'm looking forward to school starting this week. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or send me a message, and we will get those addressed. One last thing, I'm going to assign Flipgrid on Google Classroom. So those of you that are familiar with Flipgrid, feel free to post a message. I know the first day of school you're going to have your mask on, and I'm not going to be able to see your wonderful face. All I'm going to get to see is your eyes. So I kind of want to get an idea of what you look like before the first day of school. If anybody in your family wants to hop on and leave me a message or just say hi, I would love to associate parents with their student. So have a great week, and we will see you on Thursday.